Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to reset Google Chrome to default settings. Let's start with the video. First open your Chrome browser. Click on three dots and then click on settings. Once you open the setting page, you will find the list of options on the left hand side. So click on reset setting options. From here you will find the option restore settings to their original defaults. So click on this option. Here you will see a summary of what will be reset, so you can read it from here. After that click on reset settings and then Chrome will begin the process of resetting your browser to its default settings. Now here you can see it has successfully reset Google Chrome to its default setting. So close this window. So now again open your Chrome browser. Here you can see it has successfully reset to the default setting. So guys, in this video we saw how to reset Google Chrome to default settings. If you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.